45 seconds. Not a lot of time. The Great Wall of China wasn't built in 45 seconds. Michael Jordan didn't become great in 45 seconds. 45 seconds wasn't nearly enough time to build the Statue of Liberty or one of the world's largest pizza chains. But as a pizza maker at Domino's, your goal will be to handcraft masterpieces in under 45 seconds. Fast, accurate, and always handcrafted. Domino's Pizza. Welcome to the Make line. Here you can explore the different elements of Grab and Go. Grab and Go has on-the-job and on-the-web training. Both of these are essential, and you can complete them in any order. However, if you're taking this course for the first time, we recommend you start with the web training on the left. Let's master the Make line. As a new employee, it can be intimidating to see how quickly expert pizza makers work. Don't worry, they've just learned to grab and go. Follow these 8 steps and you too can be a Make line master. First, quickly scan the customer order. Note if it's a recipe or a build your own. Now, grab the first topping in the order with one hand. Try to grab the right amount the first time. Don't worry, it gets easier with practice. Do a quick check of the topping. Does it feel like you have the correct portion weight in your hand? Use both hands to spread and place the topping on the pizza. Work quickly, and don't worry if a few toppings fall in the bins. Do a quick quality check to see if you've spread and placed the topping correctly. At Domino's, we make sure a topping is in every bite. If you noticed a problem with topping spread or placement, move or add toppings to fix the problem. Watch out! Some toppings may stick together. Now that you're done with your first topping, you'll repeat steps 2 to 6 for the rest of the toppings in the order. The last step is an overall final quality check. Is the pizza sellable? Will the customer love it? This is your chance to easily fix topping issues. Once the pizza has been baked, it's a lot harder to fix topping problems. And that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps, you'll always make great pizzas and have happy customers. Remember to complete the grab and go on-the-job exercises for extra practice. Before long, the steps will feel automatic. Feel free to select any of the steps if you want a quick review. Once you're ready, select Menu at the top of the screen to play Recipe Roulette and Top Till You Drop. Prepare to become a recipe master. If you're a newbie, level 1 of this activity is for you. Take some time to study the job aids before playing the games in levels 2 and 3. Play for high scores on meats, veggies, and recipe questions in level 2. Time to craft the perfect pizza. Click the banner on the left to test your skills in correctly portioning toppings.